What's up, stackers? This is Mr. Frost with On to Stack. I'm here to run you through how to upload a deck to Moxfield and then later transfer to Cockatrice for our digital content and playing. First thing we do, we log into Moxfield, register for account. As you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty straight up. I've got multiple decks that I've uploaded myself, but very straightforward. We're going to jump into starting a new deck. We're going to name this deck. I'm going to start with the precon I got, the Satya Energy Precon. So I'm just going to name it Satya Energy Precon. Who's the commander? Who else but Satya? Quick and easy, you know? I don't need this to be public. It doesn't matter like that. So I'm going to go ahead and create. As you can see, this is where we get started from here. We're going to, if you want to, you can click the arrow and we can change the print of our cards as we go through this. I like to do this with homemade decks to check the accurate prices of my decks. And for this case, I'm going to leave everything as is out the box. Moxfield has a pretty decent learning capacity when it comes to figuring out whether or not you're uploading same sets. It was really fun with the Final Fantasy sets. It made things really, really easy. But as you can see, I got my Satya Precon right here. And I'm just going to go through the deck and I'm going to type in the cards I'm looking for. By name, era of innovation. Let the predictive kick in. Shift enter will automatically add it to the list. Filigree Racer. But if you don't type it all the way, you get all sorts of different types. As you can see, Filigree Racer is just down here. So we just highlight it, shift enter. As you can see, it got dropped in. So very easily, we can also sit here and we can move things to our sideboard. We can move things to cards we're considering adding to the deck. And then Moxfield will also help you understand what tokens you need to make sense in your deck. Now, skipping ahead, we're going to go, once our deck is complete, we're going to open up our deck. I'm going to open up my artifacts. Sure, this is a Satya deck that I built myself, well, on Moxfield. To which I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click more. I'm going to click export. And if you want to keep your prints, all the prints that you chose on Moxfield, if you want to hold on to them, you're going to copy for Moxfield. It's going to copy every print as is loaded in Moxfield. From here, we're going to boot up Cockatrice. Give me a second. There we go. Now, once we are inside of Cockatrice, we're just going to come up here to deck editor, load deck from clipboard, because that export, as you can see, put this entire print into your clipboard. So now we'll just click OK. And here's your entire deck list. Your banner card is going to be your commander. My banner card is Satya. Name will just be Satya, plain and simple. We'll go back up to deck editor, save deck as. We'll just save it as Satya. Now see, my pathline, I have my Cockatrice set up to be a portable version. I'll release another video on how to set up and download Cockatrice. Be sure to follow On to Stack to get more information. Sure, I'll go ahead and replace it. Now, when we go into Cockatrice, here's my Satya deck, as well as the visual deck storage and what I have included within the deck. Alright, On to Stack. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below or reach out to us on Instagram. Later.